Now let's talk about the key moments of IPL 2024 finale. Well, one key moment was Abhishek Sharma's dismissal of that delivery by Mitchell Starc. It was great. We've already talked about it. But another dismissal that trended the most on social media was the Rahmanullah Gurbaz one. Now there was LBW appeal and Rahmanullah Gurbaz challenged the on-field umpire's decision and he went to the third umpire. सो होता क्या है, जब आप थर्ड एम्पायर के पास जाओ तो वो मल्टीपल चीज़ें चेक करते हैं, बॉल ट्रैकिंग चेक करते हैं, वो ये भी चेक करते हैं कि अल्ट्रा एज तो नहीं था, देन वो फेयर डिलीवरी भी चेक करते हैं, वो ऑन फील्ड एम्पायर का डिसीजन भी चेक करते हैं. लेकिन यहाँ पर ऐसा कुछ हुआ ही नहीं. थर्ड एम्पायर सेड दैट द अल्ट्रा एज एंड बॉल ट्रैकिंग बोथ हैव गॉन डाउन. उनके कहने का मतलब था कि वो दोनों ही चीज़ें चल नहीं रही है, इसीलिए I will stick to the continuous retails of the dismissal. So आपका एक विजुअल होता है और उसको अगर आप बार बार देखें तो उस बेसिस पे आप डिसीजन ले सकते हो, लेकिन that's not conclusive and that's what third umpire said as well. He said that due to lack of conclusive evidence I will go by the decision of on-field umpire. Now that's so bizarre. A third umpire is supposed to look at ultra edge, ball tracking, but in a crucial match like IPL final, both the technologies were down. Both the technologies weren't available to make a good decision, and Rahmanullah Gurbaz was very, very disappointed. And obviously, he should be disappointed with that decision because this is something that you don't expect from such a marquee events final. Well, what fans said, let's have a quick look, but everybody was quite disappointed. So those were the key moments from IPL 2024 final. Once again, it was a very one-sided finale. People said that it was a boring one. They wanted a thriller sort of a show, but nothing of that sort happened. But there you can see Shreyas Iyer lifting the trophy. Gautam Gambhir and Sunil Narayan, the two players who are generally seen with no expressions on face, were there with huge smiles. They were so happy with this win, and that's how Shah Rukh Khan was also seen. He was also with that broad smile. There was Juhi Chawla over there. There were Shah Rukh Khan's kids and other Bollywood stars. Everybody was very happy with KKR's win. They have shown a complete dominant performance throughout this IPL 2024, and that's how they have lifted the trophy as well. So KKR are the winners of IPL 2024. That's that from my side. For all other details, you stay tuned.
Fastest cricket score updates या सबसे detailed stats,
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या healthy debates,
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज,
सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म,
क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट.